Hey there, YouTube. I'm making a quick tutorial today to show you how to perform an on-off source action on whatever the newest Stream Deck update was, because whenever the last update occurred, it disabled all my source visibility functions on my Stream Deck. Before, it used to turn them on and off. Now I've had to create a new way of doing that. Normally what you would do is you drag your source visibility in there. Pressing that button would turn things on and off. For some reason, it no longer performs that function. The new way you can do this, go into your multi-actions, bring over a multi-action switch, place it there. You're going to have two pages here, two tabs. So for the first tab, we'll call this quad, because this is going to activate my quad camera. Call that same thing for the second one. So in each page, you're going to want to drag over two different source, or one to each page. So you want source visibility on one, and then again, source visibility on the other page. So you have a source visibility on each page. In the first one, call it whatever you like. You're going to have it set to show here, and the other one is going to be set to hide. So that way you can turn the source on and off as you like. Make sure you set the right scene for it. Make sure the source is set to whatever you want to turn on and off. And it should work just as it did before this state that messed it up for me. The quad camera turns on now. Quad camera turns off. That was me pressing my Stream Deck. So very simple, very straightforward. And I hope this helps some of you streamers out there. Took me a hot minute to figure out how to do this. But this is how you do it. Enjoy.